Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating spreads in my wellness, which is a two-part planner. So first we're going to meal plan in the planner called Frosted Blooms, and I'm going to go ahead and create all of the headers for all of my meals. So here we go. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my snacks, and once I do that, we can go ahead and start decorating this planner. So here we go. I love creating meal plans for the week. It makes my life so easy, especially if I can meal plan, and it's pretty great. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these florals. They're from Little of Posh. I'm not sure which book. It's one of these like loose sheets that I had floating around. I have so many stickers from her, and a lot of them are breaking apart. So I'm just gonna cut around that extra piece and remove it really quickly, and then that will be it. And I think it's gonna look much better. So give me a second. Yeah, I think that's good. I wanted to use that big piece. I think it's so beautiful. And I think these florals are so appropriate for March. They're very water paint-like and very pastel-y. So spring for sure in the air. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the other side as well. Like so. And yes, I'm missing a piece, but I'm gonna maybe do some sticker surgery and add a flower there, and I think that works. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm gonna do some smaller flowers on the top and the side of the sidebar like so, but I do need florals on the top to kind of balance this out. Other than that, it's gonna be a super quick spread. So very, very skinny florals. I cut them like apart to make sure that they look good. Same thing on this side, and then we can go ahead and meal plan. Okay, so let's do this. Just like one more floral. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the end, and we can go ahead and take a zig pen. So I took like this orangey brown one, and I'm just creating that to do my meals. I think that has worked out so well. My weekly layout has not changed for a little bit now, and I think it works out so great, so I'm just gonna keep going. Oh, and the stickers are from Posh Winter. I just found that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I wrote in here. My camera went off, my phone I guess died. Okay, so on Monday we have hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, salad or leftovers for lunch, pita with chicken for dinner, orange and berries. On Tuesday we have avocado toast with tomato, and on Wednesday we have toast as well. Lunch is leftovers and half a salad. Tuesday, chicken stir fry for dinner. Wednesday, cut fish with salad, and then we have berries, string cheese, apple, and hummus as my snacks on those 2 days. So I think that is it for Monday through Wednesday. Now on Thursday we have toast with avocado. Friday, breakfast quesadilla. Saturday pancakes, and then Sunday egg sandwich. Then for lunch on Thursday leftovers, and then snacks Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because we eat pretty late breakfast. Then for dinner on Friday, pork chops, then Korean style chicken or out, gołąbki, which is like a rolled cabbage on Saturday, and lacho, which is a pepper stew on Sunday. And then I have apple, plum, string cheese, grapefruit, hummus and veggie, more apple, more plum, and orange as a snack. Now we're gonna move on to my to my wellness, which is nature and nurture. And again, it is for the week of March 6th through the 12th. And I'm going to be creating a quick spread in here. I'm going to be using the lined florals. I think the greenery in here is beautiful, so that's what I wanted to use. And I think it will be fun. So join me for this fun thing in here. I love creating my wellness spread. I think it's so lovely and a lot of fun to make actually. So here we go. I'm gonna add all of these florals in here. And they're so beautiful. Like they're so gorgeous. So I'm gonna remove the lines, remove some of the headers as always. Okay, like so. Again in here, I think that's good. Remove some lines, and we're gonna start placing some of these greenery things. So I pulled out a black and white sticker sheet from the beautifully lined Live Love Posh as well. So I'm gonna add this green long sticker right there. I think it's beautiful and so lovely. I wanted to incorporate it, and then I'm gonna add this book with the lovely plants sticking out in the middle of one side, and then kind of encapsulate it with all of these green branches that are so beautiful. So here we go. And I'm gonna add another book on the other side because I think it's very fitting. Like so, with another flower, and do the same thing. They're just different books with different plants. But I think it's lovely and really pretty. So I'm just gonna keep adding all of these green little branches and stuff like that until I feel like it's a pretty balanced. So now I'm just gonna be playing the balancing game. So I'm gonna add this big piece that's going to kind of encroach on the flower on that side, but I don't really mind, and I'm gonna add those smaller pieces throughout to add the color and pop. I really do like this lined book. It's so pretty, it's so different. I really, if you guys know me, you probably know that I like lined art a lot. I've used it before and I really enjoy it. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding more and more florals until the pages are full and I feel pretty confident that it looks good. So just bear with me as I do that part, and then we'll do the functional part of the checklists and so on. So I want to add this one as well, which is rounded around there, and add that blue hue to both sides. I think it's so wonderful that she included the greens and the blues together. It just plays such a fun color game with each other. Okay, I'm gonna add that. Yeah, okay, I think that is looking good. I'm gonna add a little bit more up here, and maybe like one more branch up here. Let's see how that will work. Okay. Yeah, I don't even mind that they're overlapping. Okay. So the bottom is done. I can't fit much more in there. I'm gonna go ahead and use the green book, which is the Functionally Chic Green Blooms from Live Love Posh, and use the green checklists I have quite a few pages of these left and not as many stickers, so I just wanted to go ahead and use those up. I really am a big fan of using up my stickers, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these checklists, and I'm gonna kind of alternate them, so a light and a dark and a light and a dark, or a dark and a light, whichever way. So there's 3 colors and I'm playing with all 3 of them. So darker, lighter, super light, like key lime. And that's gonna encapsulate all of the colors, and I think it's beautiful and green and fun, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that and then keep going. So darker, lighter, and then darker again. Okay, I think that looks good. And now I'm gonna take a Zig pen and make the dots on both of those boxes on the top and the bottom. But we're gonna take those tiny little stickers first and put all of the things that I track. So food, obviously, in the center. I have sleep and mood on the top, and then medicine and movement on the bottom. And then Zig super light green pen. I'm just making dots. I think it looks pretty good. And I like the mixture of the checklist. Like I said, I think it worked out pretty well. Let me know what you guys think about my spreads, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for joining today, and I hope you guys had fun. Bye!